Old doctors. We mixed Vaseline with lemon to treat these 10 health problems. Easily, even if they've been around for years. This simple mixture delivers powerful results that might surprise you. Ready to uncover the first one? Let's dive in. Dealing with severe dry skin? Dry skin can be more than just a minor irritation. It can feel tight, itchy, and uncomfortable, especially when it starts to flake or crack. Whether it's due to harsh weather conditions, aging, or even overexposure to water, dry skin can leave you feeling less than your best. But don't worry, there's a simple, natural solution that could make a world of difference, and you probably already have the ingredients at home. Enter Vaseline and Lemon, a powerful duo that can bring relief to dry skin in just a few uses. Vaseline is well known for its ability to lock in moisture and protect the skin's natural barrier. It forms a shield over the skin, preventing further dehydration while allowing it to heal. On the other hand, lemon is rich in vitamin C and has mild exfoliating properties, helping to slough off dead skin cells and encourage the regeneration of new healthy skin. Together, they work to not only moisturize but also brighten and refresh dull, tired-looking skin. How to use it? It's simple. Start by cleansing your skin to remove any dirt or impurities. Then, take a small amount of Vaseline and mix it with a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gently massage the mixture into the dry areas of your skin, focusing on spots that feel extra rough or flaky. Leave it on overnight if possible, or for at least a couple of hours during the day. In no time, you'll notice softer, more hydrated skin that feels rejuvenated and healthy. Repeat this routine a few times a week for the best results. Struggling with chapped lips? We've all been there. Dry, cracked lips that no amount of lip balm seems to fix. Whether it's the cold winter air, dehydration, or just a bad habit of licking your lips too much, the discomfort of chapped lips can be hard to ignore. The peeling, the stinging, and the overall roughness can make even smiling uncomfortable. But don't worry, because there's a simple, 2-ingredient solution that can restore softness to your lips in no time. Vaseline and lemon combine to create a powerful lip treatment. Vaseline is famous for its deeply nourishing properties. It forms a protective barrier over the lips, locking in moisture and shielding them from the elements. Meanwhile, lemon offers gentle exfoliation, helping to remove the dry, dead skin that's often responsible for that chapped, rough feeling. Together, they not only hydrate your lips, but also leave them smoother, softer, and more supple. How to use it? First, make sure your lips are clean and dry. Mix a small amount of Vaseline with just a drop or two of lemon juice. Gently apply the mixture to your lips using your fingertips, massaging it in to ensure it covers every dry patch. Leave it on for at least 15-20 minutes, or even overnight if your lips are severely chapped. When you wake up, simply wipe off any excess with a soft cloth. Repeat this treatment daily until your lips are healed and you feel silky and smooth. Battling dark spots and hyperpigmentation? Dark spots and uneven skin tone can be frustrating, whether they're caused by sun exposure, aging, or past breakouts. These spots can make your complexion look patchy and dull, and sometimes it feels like, no matter what you do, they just won't fade. But before you turn to expensive creams or treatments, there's a natural solution you can try that's both affordable and effective: Vaseline and lemon. Lemon juice is well known for its natural bleaching properties, thanks to its high vitamin C content. It helps brighten the skin and fade those stubborn dark spots over time. On the other hand, Vaseline creates a protective barrier that seals in moisture and prevents the skin from drying out, which is crucial when dealing with hyperpigmentation. Together, they can gradually lighten spots while keeping your skin soft and hydrated. To apply this remedy, Start by thoroughly cleansing your skin. Once your face is dry, take a small amount of Vaseline and mix it with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply this mixture to the affected areas, gently massaging it in circular motions to help it absorb. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Repeat this process several times a week. And over time, you'll begin to see those dark spots fade, revealing a more even and radiant complexion. Suffering from cracked heels? Cracked heels are not only unsightly but can also be painful if left untreated. Dry, hard skin builds up over time, leading to deep cracks that can make walking uncomfortable. Whether it's from standing for long hours, wearing open shoes, or simply dry weather, cracked heels are a common issue that many people struggle with. Fortunately, there's a simple solution you can whip up at home, using nothing more than Vaseline and lemon. Vaseline is a powerhouse moisturizer that penetrates deep into the skin, softening and hydrating those rough, dry areas. It helps seal in moisture, which is exactly what your cracked heels need. Lemon, on the other hand, acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and speed up the healing process. Together, they're a perfect combination to restore smoothness and comfort to your feet. For best results, start by soaking your feet in warm water for 10-15 minutes to soften the skin. After drying them thoroughly, mix a generous amount of Vaseline with a few drops of lemon juice. Massage the mixture onto your heels, focusing on the cracked areas. Slip on a pair of clean cotton socks and let the mixture work overnight. In the morning, you'll notice softer, more hydrated skin. Repeat this treatment a few times a week until your heels are completely healed and smooth. Struggling with brittle nails? Brittle nails can be a frustrating issue, making it difficult to grow your nails out or keep them looking neat and healthy. Whether it's due to frequent exposure to water, harsh chemicals, or even just aging, nails can become weak, dry, and prone to breakage. If you're tired of dealing with nails that chip and split, there's a natural and simple remedy that can make all the difference. Vaseline and lemon. Lemon juice is rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which helps strengthen your nails and improve their resilience. Meanwhile, Vaseline works to deeply hydrate and protect the nails, preventing them from becoming brittle. When used together, this combination nourishes your nails from the outside, making them stronger, more flexible, and less prone to breakage. To give your nails the care they need, cleanse your hands and nails thoroughly, then mix a small amount of Vaseline with a few drops of lemon juice. Gently massage the mixture into your nails and cuticles, making sure to cover each nail fully. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes or leave it on overnight for maximum nourishment. With regular use, you'll notice your nails becoming healthier, stronger, and less prone to splitting or cracking. Tired of rough skin on your elbows and knees? Dry, rough patches on the elbows and knees are a common issue for many people. These areas often become darker and tougher than the rest of your skin due to friction, pressure, or simply neglect. Over time, the skin can become so dry and rough that it starts to feel uncomfortable or even crack. But don't worry. There's a simple solution using 2 everyday ingredients: Vaseline and lemon. Vaseline works wonders by softening and moisturizing those tough, dry spots. It helps your skin retain moisture, preventing further drying. Meanwhile, lemon acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to slough off dead skin cells and brighten the darker, rougher areas, leaving your skin smoother and more even in tone. How to use it? Start by cleansing the areas with warm water and a mild soap. Once dry, take a small amount of Vaseline and mix it with a few drops of lemon juice. Massage this mixture into the rough areas of your elbows and knees in circular motions to promote absorption. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or, for best results, leave it on overnight. Repeat this routine several times a week, and you'll soon notice your skin feeling softer, smoother, and more hydrated. Smoothing out. Fine lines and wrinkles. Fine lines and wrinkles are a natural part of aging, especially in areas like the forehead, around the eyes, and mouth. While these signs of aging are inevitable, keeping your skin hydrated and protected can help soften its appearance. A blend of Vaseline and lemon offers a simple yet effective solution to nourish your skin and fight those early signs of aging. Vaseline works as a powerful moisturizer, locking in hydration and plumping the skin, which makes fine lines appear less noticeable. Lemon, rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, helps neutralize free radicals, slowing down the aging process and promoting a more youthful glow. When used together, this combination not only hydrates, but also protects and revitalizes the skin. For best results, cleanse your face and dry it gently. Take a small amount of Vaseline and mix in a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to areas where you notice fine lines and wrinkles, gently massaging it into the skin. Leave it on overnight to allow the mixture to work its magic, and with consistent use, you'll start to notice smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Relieving mild rashes. Mild skin rashes can appear out of nowhere, causing discomfort, redness, and irritation. Whether it's from heat, an allergic reaction, or simply sensitive skin, these rashes can leave you feeling itchy and uncomfortable. But with a simple, natural combination of Vaseline and lemon, you can calm irritated skin and get quick relief. Vaseline acts as a soothing barrier that helps protect the skin while locking in moisture, allowing it to heal more quickly. Its thick, gentle formula creates a protective layer over the rash, preventing further irritation. Lemon, with its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, works to reduce redness and fight any underlying causes of the rash, such as bacteria or inflammation. Together, they form a powerful yet gentle remedy to soothe and heal your skin. After gently cleaning the affected area with warm water and patting it dry, mix a small amount of Vaseline with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture directly to the rash, using soft, circular motions to ensure it absorbs into the skin. Let it sit for a few hours, or leave it on overnight for deeper relief. Repeat this process as needed, and you'll soon notice the rash fading and your skin feeling calm and soothed. Reducing the appearance of stretch marks. Stretch marks are a common concern, especially after significant changes in weight or pregnancy. These marks, which often appear on the stomach, thighs, or arms, can be a source of frustration for many. While they can be challenging to erase completely, improving skin elasticity and moisture can significantly reduce their appearance. And the combination of Vaseline and lemon can help with just that. Vaseline deeply moisturizes the skin, helping to restore elasticity and prevent further stretching. Its nourishing properties keep the skin soft and supple, making existing stretch marks less visible. Lemon, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, works to lighten the marks over time, promoting an even skin tone. Together, they provide a simple yet effective remedy to hydrate the skin and minimize the look of stretch marks. To apply, start by gently exfoliating the area with a warm, damp cloth. Once your skin is dry, mix Vaseline with a few drops of lemon juice and massage the mixture onto the stretch marks. Use firm, circular motions to stimulate blood flow and help the skin absorb the nutrients. For best results, leave the mixture on overnight and repeat this process several times a week. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, more elastic, and the stretch marks fading. Soothing minor burns. Minor burns, whether from cooking or brief exposure to a hot surface, can leave your skin feeling irritated, tender, and in need of immediate relief. These burns often cause redness and discomfort, but you don't need to rush to the pharmacy for relief. A simple combination of Vaseline and lemon offers a gentle, natural solution to calm and rejuvenate burned skin. Vaseline helps by forming a protective layer over the affected area, locking in moisture and allowing the skin to heal while preventing further irritation. Its cooling and hydrating properties provide immediate comfort. Meanwhile, lemon, with its natural soothing and rejuvenating effects, helps to reduce inflammation and promotes faster recovery by aiding skin regeneration. After cooling the burn with cold water for several minutes, pat the area dry with a clean cloth. Gently apply a mixture of Vaseline and a few drops of lemon juice to the burn, being careful not to rub too hard. Let the mixture sit on the burn for a few hours or overnight, allowing the skin to fully absorb the soothing ingredients. Repeat the process daily until the burn heals, and you'll notice the pain easing and your skin recovering its natural tone and texture. This simple Vaseline and lemon remedy offers effective solutions for various skin concerns. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your loved ones on WhatsApp so they can benefit too.